On a recent episode, we ran through the steps to give your router bits a tune-up. Now, one of the key steps there is removing the bearing on the top of the bit. But on some bits, that screw is locked down so tight it's hard to be able to get a good grip on the bit and be able to get enough force on the wrench. So what I did is I made a simple jig that holds the router bit for me. Now here's how the jig works. It's made up of a simple block of wood that has a notch cut out of the top. Along the top edge, there's a hole for the shank of the router bit. On the end is a fixed pin that locks the bit in place on that side. On the other side is a spring-loaded stop. That way, when I drop the bit in place, it captures the bit right between the cutting edges. Now it holds the bit in place so I can get enough force on it to remove even the most stubborn screws. This jig works great even on bits that have hex nuts, which can be a real hassle to remove. Now overall, this jig is a great, safe way to easily remove the bearings from your router bits.